In this video, I'll show you how to enter Form 1099K in Turbotax. First, go to the Turbotax website and sign in, or create an account if you're new. Once logged in, click on the Federal tab, then navigate to Wages and Income. In the search bar, type 1099NEC. This directs Turbotax to the area where 1099K income is typically reported. Next, click on Self-Employment, then hit Start. This section is for income not reported on a W-2, such as payments from gigs or online sales. Enter your 1099K details carefully. Depending on your Turbotax version, you may be prompted to upgrade to access all features for accurate reporting. And that's it. Following these steps ensures your 1099K income is correctly